All right, so in this video, we're going to be purchasing Perplexity Pro, and we're going to be, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to use it and why we would want to upgrade to this. Okay, so I'm in my Perplexity account. This is a free account, and you'll only be able to use it a couple times a day. I actually need to start using this more because I do think that Perplexity is the best large language model or best AI tool. It actually uses all the other large language models, but it combines them all into one. It uses the best one. You can either manually select, and if you're using computer, it will actually automatically choose which model is going to be best for the task at hand. And then there's a bunch of automation built in as well. But certainly these spaces over here, that is like Claude projects. It's like Chat GPT, GPTs that you can create. And Gemini calls them gems. So they all have their like special projects. And in Perplexity, it's called spaces, where you can give it special instructions, special knowledge base, upload attachments and files and things, and then you can have it do tasks for you. All right. And so Perplexity is, I want to sample it out for the next month or two, to really do a deep dive in there, because I'm very heavy into using Claude and Gemini and ChatGPT. I use them, all three of them, every single day for different tasks. I want to see if it's possible to start using some of those really popular things that I use those other tools for, bring them into Perplexity, and potentially use Perplexity and cancel those other pro subscriptions, because I'm paying $60 a month for the $20 level of all those other ones. And if I could certainly do all those other tasks from Claude, Gemini, and ChatGPT and bring them into Perplexity, then why not, right? Why wouldn't I just use Perplexity? So let's dive in. So right over here, you can also go to your upgrade tab over here, or you can go to trying to tell us try computer. So if you click on that, it's going to tell us Perplexity Pro is $17 a month, and that's on annual. I believe that's saying when billed annually. So this is going to be more expensive if we don't do annual. And then Perplexity Max, and that's where you get this computer button, automate complex tasks with $10,000 a month and 35,000 bonus credits for Perplexity Computer. Automate complex tasks with access to Perplexity Computer. So you do get access to Perplexity Computer, which is great in the Pro version. I don't know if that's going to go away at some point, if you get grandfathered in, I don't know, but right now they are allowing the computer access on the Pro account. So I'm going to click on the Go Pro right here. It's going to take me over here and build annually. You save only 17%. That's not that much. You could just go over here to monthly and pay $20 a month. I think paying $20 a month looks good. I'm going to go pay and I'll be right back. Okay, so that was $21.49. That was with tax and everything in the USA. So here we are. Welcome to Perplexity Pro. Enjoy higher limits and access to a computer, a digital worker that plans, executes, and completes complex workflows across your software stack. We can try computer. I'm going to go ahead and actually push that and go through what this looks like. So computer works for you. So the difference between this is that we're trying computer, and we don't have to actually install this like OpenClaw. We don't have to install this on our actual computer. It's like it creates its own digital computer workspace for you. And so there's a lot more heightened security and everything as well, apparently, right, than installing something on your local machine that would have access to everything on your computer. So we have all this stuff. We can navigate my taxes, monitor the situation, lead generation. We can do all kinds of stuff right over there. We can also go and attach. We can do connectors. We can do a lot of different things with computer right over here. But really, I just want to, and it looks like we are under tasks right here. But what I want to really do, I want to go ahead and do something that would be very practical for me managing one of my YouTube channels. Okay, so I have another YouTube channel. So I'm going to say, here is my YouTube channel. I'm going to say youtube.com/LearnWire. And I'm going to say, I'm going to do a shift return. I'm going to say, I want you to build an automated task that automatically performs trending software and AI tutorials that are trending and that I should make my next video about. Find me 20 topics per day, automated, and pick your top 3 that you think will perform the best on my channel. That's it. So I'm going to put that in. We're going to see, I'm going to go say go, and let's see if it will actually build this for us right in front of us. It's thinking the user wants me to build an automated, you can see that right there. It's using computer. So we are in computer, and that's what this machine is supposed to be doing, is it's supposed to build automated tasks. And this is the cool part. It's running tasks in parallel. It's loading skill task scheduling. I didn't tell it when I want it scheduled and everything, but if I could just come and log in and then click a button and see what it performed in the last 24 hours, that'd be great, right? We could be specific and say 8 a.m. Mountain Time, all that kind of stuff. Now you can see Analyze LearnWire. It's using Claude Sonnet 4.6, get all video titles. So it's doing all this research right here. We can click the button right here and see all the stuff that it's doing, waiting for a page load, screenshot. You can see that's my channel right there, LearnWire. And it's going to go and perform all these tasks for us. It's remember, we're using the brand new computer that all the fuss is about, right? This is a massive trending tool that Perplexity have just launched within the last week or two. And it's different than OpenClaw, where it is performing a computer-like function and automated agent tasks, but it's not installed locally on our machine, right? On our computer, it's also running Python code, all kinds of stuff. Now, let's take a look at what we've got so far. We've got analyzed your LearnWire channel thoroughly, 20,000, almost 21,000 subscribers, 924 videos, strong AI tool reviews, AppSumo deals, KDP tools, and SEO software. Your best performers tend to be money-making AI tools with dramatic hooks and pricing anchors. Let me set up a daily automated task. So this is the key point and the important part. This is insane, right? Let me set up a daily automated task. So it's going to now create an automated task based on just a simple prompt that we gave it up over here, which is super, super cool. This is the first of its kind. I don't know of any other. Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, they do not do this. They don't create automated agents like this. First, let me convert your time zone and then confirm the schedule with you. So it's calculating 8 a.m. Mountain Time, calculating right there Mountain Time. So it's going to set up daily automated task, runs every morning at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. So it already got that. I don't know where it got that from. I didn't tell it Mountain Time or anything like that. It's like it knows on my computer. So it is kind of hooked. It is hooked up to my computer somehow because it knows that it is 8 a.m. Mountain Time for me. It's going to each day, it's going to search across Product Hunt, Reddit, tech blogs, AI news. And that's exactly what I would want it to do if I was being more specific, but it already knows to do that. That is mind blowing right there, guys. I would have had to tell it, hey, go to Product Hunt, go to Reddit, go to tech blogs, all this stuff, but it already knows that. It's even smarter than me, which is nuts, right? The trending software launches, AI tools, cross-reference YouTube search volume and existing video coverage. That would be like find a couple other creators that have maybe covered that tool, and if they got a lot of views, then it would mean that like I should create a video on that as well. Filter for topics matching LearnWire's niche, AI tools, SaaS reviews, SEO, and then we have deliver 20 trending topics with a curated top 3 ranked. It's going to do this. Want me to proceed? Create reoccurring task. Yes, we can deny it. It's awaiting our input, and I'm going to say, yes, create this task for us. Now it's going to go and create this. So already this just, it feels exciting what it's doing. It's thinking, now I can create the cron job. It's literally doing all this tech stuff that you would have to pay developers to go and create. It's basically building not only is it's basically building software for you, but it's building jobs that will actually save you time, and it will just tell me exactly what to create content on, which is just absolutely bonkers in my opinion. We'll come back in just a minute, and you can see all along the way the cron job is now set up. Let me store the user's channel information in memory so I can reference it in the future conversations. Okay, perfect. So what do we got here? All right. So we'll come down here. You're all set. Here's what I built for you. Daily LearnWire topic research every morning at 8 a.m. 20 topics, doing all this. It's going to pick our top 3. What it picks for the agent is tuned specifically for LearnWire's winning formula based on best performers, blah, 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 boom. First run, it fires tomorrow, Thursday, April 9th at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. You'll see the notification. And what I actually want to do is I want to say, let's change the time to 6 a.m. Mountain Time. Let's see how easy it can do this. It's telling us when it's going to do that next thing. And you can see it's a Python script built in there, calculating for 6 a.m. Mountain Time. It's updating the task done. It's updated just like that. First run is tomorrow. And then what I want to do right now is just to see where would we find this. I'm going to ask a question. Okay, cool. Where will I find the daily task run results inside Perplexity? And let's just see what it says about this. Like, where are we supposed to go? Get notified when your work is ready. Absolutely. I want to enable this for now. I'm going to say allow right there. So if we're logged in, we're going to get a notification each morning when the task runs. You'll get a push notification on your device from Perplexity. It'll include the top 3. If you want to see full details or dig deeper, tap the notification and it'll open up the thread. So it'll probably end up just as a thread over here. It's going to end up as a thread right over here, which is great. And if you want, make sure if you've made it this far in the video, hopefully it was entertaining, you learned something, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I am going to be doing a lot of deep dives on this channel as well. If you've noticed, a lot of the videos on this, I have other people creating very simple videos on this channel that answer very specific tasks on how to do things in all these large language models. But you want to subscribe for sure, mainly because I will be doing deep dive software tutorials and so forth like this one. So keep an eye out for these types of videos, okay? And I have it set where you shouldn't get notifications of those other videos, but for these types of deep dive tutorials where I'm on camera and everything, you will get notifications for those. So I will make another video, a follow-up of what ends up happening with this. But to show you, before we end, let's just say, can you do a run for me right now? And it should be able to go and do this real quick. Creating task lists and it's going to go ahead and do this on it. Let me run the full research now, which is super, super cool. So it's been a minute or two. So this is already pretty cool because it's going to take time for it to do this. And so this is already going to be done in the background every morning. I'll just open it up and it'll tell me what videos I should create and what are the tools I should create, right? You could do certain things. If you notice if it ends up repeating itself or anything like that, you can say, hey, don't repeat as the same tool within a 7-day period, something like that. You can really, really make this the best automated tool. And you can see it's providing all of those tools. It's doing the research for us right in front of our eyes. All of this research that we'd have to go out and go to all these different sites. It's telling us what the source is, where it found, a number 2 on Product Hunt right there, AppSumo AI Week right there. We got all these different tools. And now we can come over here. It's going to say your daily automated runs right there at 6 a.m. tomorrow. It has some follow-ups. Pull the top comments, build a full video script. Really good. Let's come back up here. Did it give us our all 20 trending topics right over here? And then these are the 3 top picks. So roundups. I don't know if roundups is on AppSumo right now. I'm going to go and see if it's available right now. So we're going to go roundups and I'm just going to go and see if it's currently available. It actually just launched again. It has 12 days, so it came back. It just came back right now, so it's that smart. We can go into new arrivals. It should be here because that is definitely like back, because I'm a top AppSumo affiliate as well, so I know that tool's already been here. It has 63 reviews. It's been off the market, off of AppSumo, but it just probably launched this week, and so it's back. So that just shows how smart this tool actually was. I need to go and create a title right there, and then Gumloop right here, no code AI workflow builder right here, and it'll tell you Reddit threads right there, so I can go and research that, and then respawn it from AppSumo as well, and then you have a bunch of other right over here too. So this is just nuts, guys. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and I will be back with more deep dives like this. So far, extremely impressed with Perplexity Pro at just $20 a month, and the brand new computer function feature that they just launched that can literally run automated tasks and workflows for you in your business. I'm excited to see what I could do with this, actually building out some automated workflows. I wonder if this could actually hook up to WordPress and automatically create blog posts and use and thumbnails and publish to my site and all that. That would just be nuts if it could just do all that on autopilot. But we will see. You'll have to subscribe to see what we can do with AI content creation and Perplexity. I'll see you next time.